Alright, so today we're going to be making the Elvis stuffed chicken breast. Starting off with some simple ingredients: chicken breast, bacon, oat flour, bananas, honey, and the peanut butter. Crunchy. Can't forget that. You can use whatever you want. I've never made this recipe. This is something I'm just kind of making up as I go, so I'm not measuring anything. But if you've ever heard of the Elvis Sandwich, it's kind of what this is based after. We're going to have some oat flour to thicken up our stuffing. So this is going to be what we're stuffing the chicken with. We're going to go ahead and mix this up. Should be good. Add the bananas. Gonna cut the bananas up. And I'll peel them first. Get the knife out. Alright, I don't have a masher. It'd be nice to have a bean masher or something, but I'm just gonna make what I have. I got a spatula, I got some elbow grease. So we're just gonna see where it takes us. Alright, now I'm gonna add a little honey to it. Give it a little sweetness. And get that mixed up. Looks pretty good. We're gonna add a little more flour though, just for good measure. Don't want it spilling out of the. There we go. Looks pretty thick. I like it. Alright, so now we're gonna make a pocket in the chicken. You do this by taking the thickest part right there at the top. Oh, some on it. Some fat. So take a knife. I'll show you 1 second. Let me get the pan out first. Put a little olive oil on it so it doesn't stick. And we're going to take the fattest part of the chicken and start our pocket right there. So we're just going to make a hole. Oh, you can cut this fat off if you're really picky, or you could eat it right now, or you could flick it off like a booger. Whatever you want to do. But I just leave it on because that's just more work I have to do, and to be honest, I enjoy it. I like the fat part of it. It's nice. A little moisture, a little flavor. I like it. So right now what I'm doing is I'm making a hole, trying to get all the way as far down as I can. Looks pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and start filling this up. Our banana peanut butter stuffing. You know, this might be harder than I thought. Yeah, I think this is going to be quite a challenge. Oh, look. Oh, thanks. My Fitbit's telling me what time it is. So yeah, I think I'm going to be here a while. This isn't working out like I thought it would. Yeah. Alright, we'll go ahead and hurry this up. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So now we're gonna go ahead and take some strips of bacon and wrap the chicken in it. I'm trying to get the hole covered so it'll won't spill out. Hey, it looks pretty good. Try not to stretch the bacon too tight. It'll just fall apart. This is really thick bacon though. Oh, this is one of my favorite bacons. Alright, so it's almost done. I didn't know it was going to take 3 strips, but hey, you can't go wrong with bacon, right? So we're going to go ahead and tuck this into the corner, see if we can get all 4 of them fit into one pan. I don't want to get another pan. Oh man, this is messy. Oh man. I'm gonna need a shower after this. Oh gosh. So sticky. And whatever you do, don't use peanut butter for anything else unless you're gonna cook it. I gotta wash my hands. Like I said, this peanut butter should probably get thrown away after I'm done with it. But let me go ahead and finish wrapping this bacon around the chicken breast. Let's try twirling it like some spaghetti right here. It's not working. Pinching it off, nothing. Nothing. This stuff's messy. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and throw this in the oven for an hour. 350. Let me wash my hands first. Alright, 350 degrees. We'll throw it in for an hour. Looks pretty good. Hopefully it turns out. Alright, 30 minutes have gone by. Just wanted to see what it looks like. 10 minutes left. And it is looking good. Sizzling. So the timer just went off. Just pulled it out. It's a lot of juice. A lot of chicken juice. Probably bacon fat too. Should probably use a smaller pan. But it looks good. Besides the juice. And the peanut butter spilling out like a stuffed turkey. Alright. Let me go ahead and put this on the cutting board and get it cut. Let's go ahead and cut the middle. Oh, nice and crunchy. Oh, there's not much in there. That's kind of disappointing. See how far it went down. Yeah, it didn't go down very far at all. Alright, well, let's go ahead and try it. Let's go ahead and try a piece with the peanut butter in it. It's actually pretty good. Not bad at all. Thumbs up. Elvis was onto something.